Good morning, dear children. Children, if I ask you today at what time you got up early in the morning, what would be your answer? Definitely, your answer would be, Ma'am, I have not seen the clock. Or some of you guess your answer and give me 6 o'clock, and some will say at 7 o'clock. Children, clock help us to manage our lives. Here on this page, you can see one day in the life of Kusum. Here, the picture of different activities of Kusum, and on the right side, clock is me. It means Kusum gets up early in the morning at this time. She brings water from the well at 6:30 in the morning, and 6:30 in the morning you have to draw in this clock. Here she cleans her house at this time, and you have to write. How will you read it? She goes to school at 8 o'clock, and here you have to show in the clock. Children, we totally depends on a clock for our routine work, from wake up in the morning to sleep at night. Clock help us to be everywhere on time. So children, we should know to read the time in a clock. Today we will go about the clock and learn how to see time in a clock and how can we read time. Okay, so let us start. Here you can see this is a picture of a clock, and you can see numbers from 1 to 12. Beside that, there is one short hand and one long hand of the clock. Short hand tells time in hour. Okay, children, it takes 1 hour to go from one number to the next number. It means from 10 to 11 it will take 1 hour. Okay, then 11 to 12 next 1 hour. Okay, so this short needle takes complete 12 hours to make one complete round of the clock. Okay, now let us talk about the long hand of the clock. Children, long hand of the clock is known as minute hand, and it takes 5 minutes to go from one number to next number. It means from 2 to 3 it will take 5 minutes, right? And 3 to 4 next 5 minutes. Similarly we will calculate. Okay, so if we calculate from here, it will take total 60 minutes to complete one round of the clock. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Okay, the big hand, or you can say the long hand, takes 60 minutes to complete one round of the clock. Children, here in this picture you can read minutes by counting in fives. When the long needle is on 1, it will be read as 5. When it will come on 2, because we are counting in 5, so 5 2s are 10. When it will reach on 3, it will be considered as 15 minutes. 4 20 minutes, 5 25 minutes, 6 30 minutes, 7 35 minutes, 8 40 minutes, 9 45 minutes, 10 50 minutes, 11 55 minutes, and 12 60 minutes. Okay, so complete one round in 60 minutes. It's complete. Okay, now let us see how can we read time. Okay, so starting position is 12. Okay, we will always count from the starting position. Now here what do you see? The short hand of the clock is on 7 and the short hand is our hand. So it will be written towards your left side 7, and the big big hand or long hand is on 12, so it will be considered as 0 0. So we will write it as 700, or how can we read it? 7 o'clock. Okay, now let us take one more example. Here the short hand is on 8. This is our hand, so it will be written as 8. The long hand is on 12. It will be read as 00. So it will be written as 800 and read as 8 o'clock. Okay, next example. Here you can see only one hand of the clock, but this is not true. The short hand is behind the long hand, so you are not able to see the short hand. It means short hand is also on 12 and the big hand is also on 12. It means 00. So it will be read as 12 o'clock. Okay, now here how will you read this time? A small hand on 8, big long hand is on 1, 5 ones are 5, so you will write 8 5. You will not write it as this. This is wrong way of writing. Always you will write 8 5 as this. Okay, and children, it will be read as 5 minutes past 8. Okay, 5 minutes past 8. Now long hand is on 2, 5 2s are 10, so it will be written as 8 10 and read as 10 minutes past 8. Okay, now next example. Here the big needle is on 4, 5 4s are 20, and the small needle is on 8, so 8 20, or you will read it as 20 minutes past 8. Okay, now next example. Here you can see the small hand is little bit above the 8 and the big hand is on 6. So it will be considered as 8. 8 and 5 6 are 30. So it will be read as 30 minutes past 8. Okay children. Now here in this example you can see the big hand is on 11. It means 55 minutes. When it will go on 12, then it will complete 60 minutes. Then the clock will tell time 1 o'clock. But in this clock, it is on 11. It means 55 minutes. Okay? It is not complete 1 o'clock. It is 12:55. Okay? Or you can read it as 55 minutes past 12. When this hand will move on 12, then it will be read as complete 1 o'clock. Now, in this picture, the big hand is on 11. So, it will not read as 1. It will read as 12:55. Children, hope you all have understood how can we read time. So, please do practice to read time in a clock. Thank you and have a good day.